Yes, people. Thank you for tuning in. So, if you don't know by now, Vybz Kartel was freed up today. Yeah. And, you know, him and Shawn and another co-defendant, I don't remember the brother name, I think Akira Jones, get for walk out of prison today after 13 years. Yeah. So, it's been a long road for the world boss, you know. It's been a long road. I mean, him been in prison quite some time, since about 2011. At the time when the trial happened, there was a lot of controversy when he got the guilty verdict. I remember the police them did all use the phone that was in evidence, so it did kind of shaky. Cause if you have somebody locked up and you have them phone as evidence, the police not supposed to use your phone. I send text message or I make call, you know what I mean? So them thing that they just weird in the trial. And some other little things did happen and thing. But you know, throughout everything, you can say, the court decides say yeah, him need to free up. Because I think what it was really them never want to have another 2 year trial and some other factors where them feel like say yeah, if them did have a 2 year trial, they would have probably even violate the man rights even more. Because a few months ago, the Privy Council in England already free him up and say based on the evidence and what happening at the trial, them need to quash the case and them send it back to Jamaica now for Jamaica do a retrial or for figure out what them want to do. So Jamaica finally decide now say, right now a retrial is not the way to go. So that's a really good look for Vybz Kartel. Him get a second chance for at life and for spend time with him family and friends and all them something there. That's a good look. Say him have him new wife and things, so congratulations to Vybz. And I've always been a fan of Vybz, for tell you the truth. And I hope the youth them can learn from this. I hope the youth them can learn from this and say, boy, certain things you have to just you have to just kind of leave certain things alone. So me I say, and just try to move in a way where say, boy, you can't get jam up. You get me? But all in all, so it goes still. Sometimes you win some and you lose some. I just so life go. But in another time, in another frame of time, and in another specific moment, the man get to win. So I feel happy for him and happy for the Gaza, because you don't know. I really hope him can really spend some time with his family and friends and, no rush the music thing right now. Just, soak up the time with your people them, And then now, when all of that happen now and you're ready for touch the road now and get a show now and start make back some money, your fans them dead, loyal fans them dead. So me I say, enough people are go fly from foreign come see Vybz Kartel I perform. You get me? Yeah man. A serious thing me I tell you, man. Just like when Buju did free up and enough people come from all over the world come see Buju I perform, which was a joy, Gargamel free again. I see him so Kartel in this moment, man. I feel happy for him for know say him there road and him can actually, hug him kids them and, him can be a free man. You know what it is to be a free man. You get me? So, hopefully him can get some medical attention, because don't know say him did kind of have some medical issues when him did lock up. So, and prison food is not the right food anyways when you have a medical condition. So just being out and being able to eat the proper food and you have access to medical staff like doctor and nurse and all them people that we can take care of you much better than when you're there behind bars. So it's really a good look, and like me say, I'm really happy for just know same day road now. Hopefully him can just make the right decisions them and make some good music. Cause we really need some good music right now, you know. Right now, the music we have, it's kind of different, and you know, nothing wrong with with some of the music them, but some of them, boy, it's like you don't know. It's kind of like hard to listen to, but you know, still I appreciate the music because it's a form of art. So I just saw it go, but yeah, what wanna feel? Wanna think about that? Wanna leave in the comments below? Wanna feel like say it's a good thing saying free, or what? Jamaica should I try him again? Like, wanna think? You think him could I get a free trial? You know, leave in the comments down below in the comment section, and you know, remember to like, subscribe, and watch the video. Watch more video, cause I have some more things coming. Alright, big up on yourself, and thanks for watching.